Yeah, buddy. There's a good sawzall.
Miss Hardy.
Okay.
All right, progress.
I'm gonna try something on them. This may be scary.
What?
Don't need a
No nails.
No nails.
None of them got nails.
I know.
We're gonna use our last one.
How long are those screws?
You got your side over here.
3 inches.
Go get him, Layla.
2.5.
Already? Yeah,
Go get him.
end one. I got it pulled out now. Just nailed it through the end.
Oh, got ya.
He's gonna poop.
Got the hammer right there. I don't need it. Good boy.
Do these still work?
No, probably not. I mean, that one over there is in the bushes.
She got her lips done when she came to visit.
The bottom one?
Yeah.
Oh. You talked her into that?
You can tell it's
No, not really.
we both have.
They look a little puppy
Used to look like
in
yours.
certain areas.
Now they have. They are.
That's funny.
You didn't think it was too bad, though, right? Hey, double the share my leg. It was awful. And
You want me to lift this up?
Yeah, move that. Just got it. Slide it under that thing.
under the water hose.
We just gonna need one right now to see. Hammer. Yep.
Can you push it on over? This is rotten.
You all the way up, Bobby?
Huh?
I'm about 1/4 inch heavy over here.
But if I go, I probably got it. I just got to get a hammer to get it done, and then I'll put it right there by you.
Right there.
And do we have a? Hey, Gail, look in the back of the truck. And there's a big sledgehammer.
I seen the sledgehammer.
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 Yeah.
There you go.
That's why them hammer impacts are way better. Don't ask me what makes them work better.
Stay down, Levi. Stay down. Get down.
Yeah.
Good. Good peoples. Good little puppy dogs.
All right, we gotta come down here. You're all the way against your things.
One of those saws to cut this stuff up and make it smaller. Oh, that's nice. God, these are heavy. You want me to... Layla. Get down. Something was burning this one already on the ground. Yeah, top one. Watch your shoes. They'll burn too.
Cut it. Stay with me now.
Woo!
Stay with me, Tonk. Come on, Tonka. You want me to put his necklace back on? I got one on the car. I am Gail.
Hey, Gail.
Hey, Gail. I am Gail. right, so we got 3 up there.
Well, we'll have to figure it out. I might have to do that later. Because y'all only got deck boards for this. And that's going to need some here.
Tonka, that's not your food, bro.
Huh? Who?
Twist it this way. Get them a little harder, baby. 2 taps.
I set it over the fence.
You want to push some of these in for us?
Yeah.
You're in? Yeah, at the very end we'll straighten that out.
No.
Yeah, if she put a gutter
Like a
up
big
here.
plastic thing like that underneath the air conditioner to catch all the water.
Actually, a gutter won't be a bad idea.
That's an outdoor air conditioning, it don't
Like
matter.
here, you mean?
Yeah, a gutter across here.
Yeah, just to keep it from...
Yeah.
Make it run left and right where it don't hit you dead. Well, I got one because I was using it.
Yeah.
But when I was using it at the house, I got out of the barn. So there must be one in that van in that back right corner.
Again? What? Woo! Woo! Yeah. Oh, how pretty. Look, look. Nice. Yeah. Get my stuff cockeyed over there. You cockeyed it.
Precious, thank you.
Call Layla.
Layla.
Over there. I said, that's the only Christmas thing I had. So I don't have anything out that's Christmassy. I didn't even bring my angels in here this year. But I was so depressed.
Cause I can't seem to keep my eyes on
Oh, that's where she's at.
Rust prevention. You can actually put it on with a paintbrush or spray paint it.
All right. Feels pretty sturdy.
Yeah.
With all the nails that are in this thing,
How come all these screws are out?
they're just out for now.
I think we're going to have to need one more
What? Oh, yeah, the board.
Talk about something.
because that one is screwed up.
Everybody does that. Oh, try this.
Because I'm the same way with my teeth.
Yeah.
Enjoying some chips and salsa with my cousin and my sister and my mom.
Hey, hey!
Yay! Yay! Levi? Yeah, it's gonna be on my movie. Alright. Oh wow, and all the wood's in. Just like that. Beautiful.
Dark of the Moon pumpkin stout.
Okay. Well, I'm glad you got Braden doing stuff. Yeah, that looks good. Looks good.
You can see it now, but once all the stuff goes back on it.
Don't put a lot of stuff on it. Oh, I'm not out here yet.
I don't have any control over what she does.
The biggest thing is no carpets or nothing like that.
No what?
Carpet, nothing that'll hold water.
Yeah, and
If it holds water, it's gonna rot it.
oh, so it's not completely done. There's still a few screws to get screwed in. Looks good. Thank you, Bobby Brown and Braden Jones and JD Brown. And
All you guys, thank you so
Need
much.
the strip there, but
Everybody.
that's a full board
Watch out,
for.
Layla.
It looks great.
You wanna?
come here, Layla. Stay over here. I like it.
Pretty good today. Damn. Oh my God.
Look at how beautiful that is.
What's up on it?
I don't know if I want to paint that.
Watch out with the stuff.
They're gonna use those, Mawmaw. Just leave them. Leave them there. Dance floor. You got your dance floor back. Yeah. Merry Christmas. Is that what you did, Jessica? You break that out? Yeah. It's good. Yeah, to clean that up so all those leaves were piled up against them. Because that's what happened. All the bottles and the leaves were falling behind. And
Water had nowhere to go.
here we go. Well, it's so good to see them rain and enjoy and stuff again. It's so sad to see them just like all wooden. Later, like, what's going on?
Renee.
Come back around. Yep. Oh, he put it down. Levi, get the ball. Here he comes. Here he comes. Oh my goodness. Get him, Levi. Get him, Layla. Go, Layla. Go get him, Layla. Come on, Tonka. Bring me the ball. Come on, bring me the ball. Good boy. Yay.
Can't tell you how many times I've hit
Fish
my
dinner.
that fan thing.
That's all they, that's all over.
Fish dinner
What you mean that's all of
tonight.
them?
It don't look like there's that many.
Well, I ate like 4.
Oh.
Well, I cooked them. I had to make sure they weren't poisoned and stuff.
Oh, what?
We get back in there and we got bow and arrows with us.
If you want me to save it for you.
I'm good.
Do you want me to save that for you?
Well, man.
All right.
You got less hair than I do, so. I say you got less hair than I do.
yeah.
I had to cut it
Merry
off, yeah.
Christmas, you
I
guys.
can leave. You remember when we were kids and I used to try to get my hair cut like a flat top? Yeah. So it'd stick up?
It's- So here we are. We got the deck done at my mom's Christmas weekend. And this is the camper we're staying in. It belongs to Chris and Starla. They've hosted us. It's not completely slid out, but because of the post, it's under us. Sure, but it's nice. So they let us stay in here. Wow. We're here for my mom. See her for Thanksgiving or Christmas. I won't make the bed yet, but it's a pretty nice little camper. Even got a little closet over there. Yep, Leela. You've been liking it. It's nice and warm. Around 70, it's freezing outside. Just to get the chill out. It's Saturday. This is the outside of the camper. And this is their garden of mustard greens and rutabagas. But some deer came in here and ate all the rutabaga. You can see right where that sun's shining. All nibbled off. Good morning. Good morning. I didn't get to see him march out, but look at them ducks. Oh, Johnny out too. Oh,
That rooster may go at her,
yeah, you don't want that.
but do what? That rooster might go at her. Yeah, that gray rooster.
Layla was trying to go under.
Rooster, he thinks he's a king.
That's like the one I
King
just
is
had.
back there.
Mm.
Y'all want to see the king rooster? Yeah, pick the dog up. I'll show you the king rooster. He's back there. That one in the middle's pretty big though, ain't it?
Yeah, I see him.
You see that salami chip, that black one?
Yeah, the one that's just crowed.
That's about $1,000 bird right
Oh, why?
there. Yeah.
Wow, more people pay thousands of dollars for dogs.
She's over there.
Come here, Levi.
Levi, get over here. I don't like them being over. Are they your Christmas? You get those yesterday?
Jasper's back. Jasper's back, and the kids are here. Hello, Merry Christmas.
What? Pick one. Which one? I really do love my take the T-Rex. Yeah, but I want the fly thing too. It's not fly. Oh, what? It's a deer.
It's a dead deer. It's stiff. It got
Are you gonna
killed and froze.
pet him? But is this a boy?
Yeah, he's a boy.
You never let me pet him before.
Yeah, when he's confined in a space, you can get him.
No.
Did they drop it? I can't tell from the camera.
Yeah, they're bringing it.
Oh, yeah, it's in the... Ooh! Oh, they're dragging it up there off the road. For the coyotes. Oh, it was a doe. Got hit by a car.
that the whole swamp bottom from the road, there's a spring back there comes off against the property. There they go. See that?
She's already messed up.
3 weeks ago. When he gets done now, maybe the day before
Go get her.
yesterday.
Go get
That's
her.
what I'm saying, the climbing stand, jacked up there high in the air. And to be honest with you, that tree right there, the way it's growing,
Yeah.
you could go up in it and put you a real nice stand. And you could see everything. Well, you wouldn't be able to see down this way.
After he got done, he said, I don't think he did, but he planted weed out here last year. That's a big area though, it wraps all the way around.
What's that, a beaver dam right
Yeah,
there?
beaver dam right there. They keep building it up right there, keep that water pushed back there.
Well, let's walk in there. You want to walk on in there?
I'll walk in there. They just, he keeps it clean so he can pull those excavator down in here.
Chris, is there crocodiles?
No, they ain't
Crocodile
no beaver.
Don't you worry, brother has a sword.
Where's Levi? Is he up front? Yep, I see him.
Beaver dam.
Oh, wow. I want to see a beaver dam.
All across there?
They worked that thing all night long, talking it up.
Yeah. They had to rip one out on
Hi,
ours.
Levi. What is what? Coconut. It's a coconut.
You don't let her fall down in that water. There's some holes. There she goes.
She's drinking
Oh
it.
no, did she fall in?
No, she's drinking
That
it.
bad boy right there is heavy duty.
Yeah,
Yeah.
he using that to clear that beaver dam out. Jason
That thing
thought
is
it
heavy.
was.
That's probably
Yeah.
3-4 pounds.
Oh, that's good.
Cool, girl.
Don't fall in, Levi.
Yeah, I'm trying to set it somewhere where you can see it.
There's some cane over there.
They back that excavator down.
Is that
and
deep?
Dig it out.
Looks
It's
like
deep
they-
over there.
They tried to start one over there too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at her. She's doing the burnout. She's doing the burnout. Gotta go pee pee. Gotta go pee pee. Everybody gotta go pee pee. Yeah? Whoa.
I'm going to use
Hello.
this potty. Yeah. I'll be right back.
God, girl. Wow.
She just was chasing off that cat.
Oh, good.
Come on.
Hey, little baby. What you do?
All right, let's walk up on the deck. Yeah, she's got her little umbrella up here.
Move on. Come on.
Hey, Tonka.
What you doing, dickhead?
Oh, it's so nice out here. Come get in with me.
Yeah.
I guess I don't really have to wait for them things to, we could build a fire. I got a bunch of stubs over yonder on the other side of the run. Oh, you're not getting my cookies at home.
So Renee made it out.
Well, I didn't hear from her yet. We got her to the airport anyway.
Hey, Tonky. Hey, doggy doggies.
You guys go outside and spread your tiki everywhere so them cats.